Hello, my dear students. Myself L.K. Tripathi, your SST teacher from LPM Public School. Dear children, today we shall discuss again about the institutional representation of democracy. Though we have already discussed about this chapter in first video, but it would be better for you to understand again having this new video. So let's get started. First of all, we have to understand about the universal adult franchise. What is universal adult franchise? Let's discuss it. As election is an important feature of democracy, it is important that all the citizens of a country have the right to vote. This is ensured by a system called the universal adult franchise, which means all the adult citizens of a country above 18 years of age have the right to vote. No doubt about that. We live in a democratic country. India is a democratic country. Representation is there. Representative form of the government is there. So, we elect our government through the process of election that is known the universal adult franchise. What does it mean? It means that all the citizens of the country, whether male or females, completed the age of 18 years, are entitled to participate in the voting system. They have the right to cast their vote for different types of election, from small unit to the union unit. Any person of the country have the right to cast their vote after completed the age of 18. No discrimination is made on the basis of education, race, caste, religion, color or gender. There is no any discrimination. There is no any separate treatment for them on the basis of such grounds, that is religion, color, gender, sex, education, long age, state, whatsoever is there is no any discrepancy on this matter. Whether poor or rich, educated or uneducated, differently abled, men and women, belonging to dominant classes or subordinate classes, have the right to vote. All the people of the country are entitled to cast their vote without any fear and discrimination. Thus, universal adult franchise is one of the most important characteristics of Indian democracy. This is the glory of Indian democracy. Without fear and without cause, we have the right to participate in the electoral process. Only some people, such as people with criminal background, are not allowed to vote. In fact, the person who has proved as guilty by the court, proved as criminal, he will be denied to get this right. Neither such person can contest the election nor participate in the voting process. this right from the person is taken back. This is to make sure that people who are participating in the election process are honest and can independently take right decisions. ये इलेक्शन के समय हमको बिल्कुल एश्योर होना चाहिए कि जो व्यक्ति चुनाव लड़ रहा है वो ऑनेस्ट है कि नहीं है, निष्पक्ष होकर के स्वतंत्र होकर डिसीजंस ले सकता है कि नहीं ले सकता है. ऑल दिस ऑनेस्टी एंड impartiality, courage should be seen by us. Then we can choose our representative from the constituency from where you belong. Universal adult franchise is based on the principle of one person, one vote. इसमें एक व्यक्ति एक वोट का अधिकार इसको मिलता है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति जो है अपने जहाँ भी रहता है वहाँ का वो वोट देने का अधिकारी है. एक व्यक्ति एक वोट का हमारे पास अधिकार है. एवरी एडल्ट सिटीजन ऑफ ए country can vote only once during one particular election. एक इलेक्शन में एक बार वो जो है अपने वोट को कास्ट करता है, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन जब कोई दूसरा इलेक्शन होगा तो सेम प्रोसेस विल बी अडॉप्टेड इन दैट इलेक्शन आल्सो. Election is the process through which a democratic government is elected. The word election is derived from the Latin word legere, meaning to choose. Through elections, people choose their representatives who form the government. ये इलेक्शन के थ्रू हम जो है अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को इलेक्ट करते हैं जिससे हम गवर्नमेंट को फॉर्म करते हैं. India is a huge country, so elections take place at different levels. Elections are held to form a government at the village level, the state level, as well as at the center. Elections जो है हेल्ड किए जाते हैं सरकार के द्वारा गांव में, विलेज लेवल पर, स्टेट लेवल पर और सेंट्रल लेवल पर. It is a complicated process conducted by an independent agency called the Election Commission. ये एक बहुत ही जटिल प्रक्रिया है जो कंडक्ट की जाती है पूरे देश में एक साथ. इसके लिए फॉर दिस देयर इज इलेक्शन कमीशन अंडर विच द इलेक्शन इज कंडक्टेड फॉर द कंट्री. And Election Commission is an independent institution, independent agency which perform the electoral process. General elections क्या हैं? In India, general elections are held after every 5 years to elect representatives to the parliament. The parliament, the prime minister and the president form the central government, sometimes under special circumstances. The government is not able to continue for 5 years. और कभी कभी जो जनरल इलेक्शन होते हैं that is conducted after every 5 years. मतलब सरकार का जो टेन्योर होता है, जो पीरियड होता है, that is for 5 years generally. But in some cases, suppose that if the government has not completed 5 years tenure, So in between, the next election is conducted, that is known as mid-term election, जिसको हम हिंदी में मध्यावधि चुनाव कहते हैं, मतलब बिफोर कंप्लीटिंग द कंप्लीट टेन्योर मीन्स 5 years। तो ऐसे इस बीच में इफ द गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट कैपेबल टू प्रूव द मेजॉरिटी, द गवर्नमेंट गोज टू डिसॉल्व, एज ए रिजल्ट गवर्नमेंट गोज टू फॉल डाउन। तो फिर से वहाँ पर चुनाव होते हैं जिसको मिड टर्म इलेक्शन कहा जाता है। Such elections taking place before the completion of a 5-year term are called mid-term elections. Sometimes, if an elected representative dies or resigns before the completion of the 5-year term, fresh elections are held for that particular seat. Such elections are called by-elections। और यदि किसी भी क्षेत्र से, किसी भी गांव से या किसी भी विधानसभा लोकसभा क्षेत्र से कोई ऐसा रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मर जाता है अगर या कोलैप्स कर जाता है, तो वहाँ भी इलेक्शन कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं। मतलब द सीट और द रिप्रेजेंटेशन शुड नॉट बी वैकेंट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम्स। Within 6 months after his or death, the election must be conducted there and new representative must be elected. That is known by-election। इसको हम बाई-इलेक्शन कहते हैं, जिसको हिंदी में उपचुनाव कहते हैं। एक मिड टर्म इलेक्शन है जो मध्यावधि चुनाव है। तो इंटायरली वो जो होता है जनरल इलेक्शन की तरह से कि 5 साल के टेन्योर अगर कोई एक सरकार पूरा नहीं कर पाई, तो ऐसे मेजॉरिटी अगर उसकी नहीं हुई तो वो सरकार गिर जाती है, कोलैप्स कर जाती है, और ऐसी स्थिति में फिर से उस स्टेट में या उस कंट्री में इलेक्शन किए जाते हैं, जिसको हम मिड टर्म कहते हैं। कोई रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, कोई प्रतिनिधि किसी पर्टिकुलर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से, विलेज से या किसी भी यूनिट या एरिया से अगर वो उसकी डेथ हो जाती है, तो इन बिटवीन द न्यू रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मस्ट बी इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द रीजन, दैट इज नोन बाई इलेक्शन। अब हम देखते हैं द इलेक्शन कमीशन। इलेक्शन कमीशन क्या है? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बॉडी of the country under which the elections are conducted. The election commission is there to conduct free and fair elections in the country. It is a 3-member body headed by the chief election commissioner and assisted by 2 election commissioners who are appointed by the President of India. This is the most important body of the election, that is independent. There is no pressure of the government at the time of election. The president directly look after this institution, this agency, and president him herself appoint the member of this body. This is the body of 3 members headed by chief election commissioner and assisted by 2 election commissioners separately। एक चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर होता है और 2 इलेक्शन कमिश्नर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा वो नियुक्त किए जाते हैं। तो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 members बॉडी। अब हम देखते हैं पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज क्या हैं? ए पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु हैव कॉमन आइडियल्स एंड गोल्स। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कैन बी formed on the basis of distinct political ideals or some particular interests such as religion or region. In a democracy, political parties play a very important role. They create awareness among the people regarding various issues and problems the country is facing and helps in generating public opinion. They take part in the election process through their candidates from various constituencies. After the elections, political parties form the government. This is the process of election. India is vast country. Different political parties are there in the country. They form separately. Their ideals are different. The particular many parties gives particular interest in religion or region. डेमोक्रेसी में पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होती हैं, बिना इसके गवर्नमेंट को फॉर्म करना संभव नहीं है। और ये वेरियस इशू जो विभिन्न मामले होते हैं, मसले होते हैं देश के, उसमें लोगों को ये कॉन्शियस करती हैं, ये जागरूक करती हैं और उनके अंदर एक अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करती हैं जिससे कि देश के लोग किसी भी ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में जान सकें। दैट इज़ नोन टू जनरेटिंग द पब्लिक ओपिनियन। लोगों को जागरूक करना इनका मेन काम है। इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे भारत में बहुत सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं, कुछ तो नेशनल पार्टीज़ हैं, कुछ मेनी ऑफ द रीजनल पार्टीज आर आल्सो देयर। They also play important role to form the government. Here, have you seen campaigning before elections? How does campaigning take place? क्या आपने कभी इलेक्शन के पहले campaigning प्रचार प्रसार देखा है? ये campaigning कैसे होती है? ये बहुत ही important है। और there are different methods of campaigning. A candidate can deliver speeches before large masses, organize rallies and conduct door-to-door campaign to seek votes. She can utilize the audio-visual means of campaigning by composing jingles that praise her party and talk about the party and its achievements. She can also put up posters bearing her images and name the describing in some detail the kind of work she processes to do. A candidate can also lend support to some charitable or social events being organized in his or her constituency so that people can recognize him or her more and know more about his or her achievements. During campaigning, a candidate makes every voter living in his or her constituency feel special and important so that he votes for him or during elections. Campaigning stops 48 hours before polling. This is the process of campaigning. Rest we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.